MOBA is proud to present MAWIS U2, the new SmartWaste platform designed to provide solutions to city councils, associations of municipalities, and service companies in their management and optimization needs for waste collection and street cleaning services. An end-to-end solution on a single and certified platform to manage all the information needs of the service. A user-friendly and intuitive communication tool. You will benefit from the knowledge and experience amassed by MOBA over more than 25 years in the industry, with a tool to manage the service efficiently and enhance it, organizing, planning, and optimizing the routes, and carrying out services where and when they are necessary. For example, collecting containers only when they are full. Measure and analyze the data obtained during the service in order to continue optimizing it. Reduce costs and contaminating emissions. Implement and manage collection systems which identify the user. Achieve recycling collection rates of over 80%, and also reduce the total number of waste generated. Offer transparency and provide citizens with information related to urban services and waste management. Make the citizen an active participant in the waste management chain. A fair payment system, charging citizens and businesses based on the waste they generate. Contact us and discover MAWIS U2.